Hi students, welcome again. This chapter is Skin, the Jack of all trades. It's very important for class 9 ICSE board as far as their annual exams are concerned. In this part, I will only discuss the meaning or what is skin, the meaning of this part which is skin and also the functions of the skin. So what is skin? Skin is the outer layer of the body. It is the covering of our body and it is the largest organ of the body. It is about 15% of the total body weight. So since it is the outer layer of the body or the covering of the body, it is having, this layer is having several tissues and glands. But first of all, we have to also revise and remember what are the functions of this skin. So primarily the function is protection. What are they? First one can be protecting the tissues under the skin from any mechanical shock or from invasion of any other microorganisms or harmful pathogens. Secondly, it is holding the fluid inside our body so that excessive loss of water is not there. Thirdly, it is protecting the skin from the ultraviolet rays of the sunlight, which is very, very harmful. So, primarily, this is protecting our body and body parts. So, the most important function of the skin is protection. Apart from this, what are the other functions? Through the skin only, we are feeling the sensation of pressure, pain, temperature, etc. So it is working as a sensory organ also. It is helping in excretion too, because through the skin only, sweat is being excreted through the sweat pores and the sweat glands. So skin is helping in excretion of urea, though very little, excess water and salts also, very little salts, helping in excretion also. And then it is also storing food because under the skin fat is accumulated. So fat is stored and that is food only. So storage of food is also one function. And then the ridges and grooves on the skin of the fingers are helping us to have an efficient grip. So this is also an important function of the skin. The skin is also helping in the formation of vitamin D under sunlight. So these are the important functions of the skin, student, you have to remember. So I am repeating what are they? They are the protection function of protection. This primary function of the skin is to protect the tissues under the skin, to hold water so that excessive loss of water is not there from the unwanted pathogens and organisms. It is impermeable. So it is able to do these functions, and then it is protecting us from the very harmful ultraviolet rays of the sunlight. The other functions are as a sensory organ, as a food storage, helping in excretion, and also helping in having an efficient grip. So these are the functions you have to remember. In my next video, I'll talk about the structure of the skin in a little detail. So I think if these videos are short videos, then it helps you more in remembering and in understanding. So with that, I am closing this video here, this topic here, and we'll come with the structure of skin in little detail in my next video. Till then, thank you so much.